Show. What up, though? What up, though? What up, though? Hey, whenever you ready. Whenever you ready. What up, boy? You all right? Yes, sir. Good to see you too. What's happening? You all right, boy? What's going on? You all right?
Hey, I was telling him the other. I loved your vlog. I didn't know you did.
Yeah, I just started 2 weeks ago.
I just subscribed.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Remember I tell you, when he put the HP4, he was in dude. He put a whole new beast out here.
Yeah. Yep.
Don't hurt me. Look, I mean, I know what you can do. I'm getting the fuck out of your way.
He got an HP4. I said, easy. I was like, he got a black or gray Beamer, bro.
Yeah.
He goes, no.
Yeah, I picked
that HP4.
Yeah, I picked that up last year around November, towards the end of the year.
Yeah, you came out with a whole new.
Yep.
Come on with it.
The slowest booster in the city. That's the slowest booster in the city.
It's slow as fuck, dog. You want a link? Come on. You want to catch a link? Come on, A to B.
Oh, really? Is that a challenge?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's a fun race. I got $2 on it.
All right.
Booster killer, right?
14 is the booster killer.
Yeah, you already know that. Don't ask me that again.
Cause you know I do that A to B shit for fun. So you know,
Me too. Come on.
I you know, I'm ready for all action. I take on all action.
Hell no, nigga. He pulled up on that BMW. Oh yeah, nigga. No, I mean, okay. We're racing for fun, okay?
I got you a buffet.
We're racing for fun, okay?
I got you a buffet.
I seen what he pulled up on. We're racing for fun, buddy. I'm down with it though.
Say what up to my YouTube channel.
What up, though? We in here. Mike Light.
You already know it.
All night.
Make sure you subscribe to it too.
You already know. Make sure you subscribe.
EAZY Rider Moto.
EAZY Rider Moto. You gotta get it.
And oh yeah, we back with another one. I go by Mr. 3525, and this right here, it's the work that game, baby.
Baby, don't you know we count it up? Baby, don't you know we count it up? Baby, don't you know we count it up? Baby, don't you know? Feeling like winning. Ain't got a lot of time, but I know how to spend it. Meet me outside, want you to come with me. I know you wanna ride in my S550 or the Bentley. Bring out the bottles, bring out the bottles of rosé, I put them on high. Yeah, 'cause we up, we on, yeah, we up, we on, we gonna party tonight. Baby talking, coming back it up. Spinning it cause I be stacking up. Girl, I got 100 outside. Sex while we drive, that's one hell of a ride. Yeah. So bring out the bottles of rose and let's toast up tonight. Oh, yeah.
me on Collins, baby, we racing race. You get with them niggas be feeling out of place. With me, girl, you money, so we be feeling safe. Book a flight with no bags, we just gon' get away. Post some motivation, you know niggas need it. Bow our heads and pray over these Jesus pieces. We ain't gon' blow out the bezel, we just gon' keep it decent. Perrion, filet mignon, I got you feasting. Yeah, exotic the way we got it. Private resorts and islands, but tell me who be in private. Shoes, red bottom, but we ain't resort to violence. Push button, we bosses, you know how we move in silence. Yeah, and we don't say a word. A Chanel bag a day, girl, that's personal. And you know that paper straight, cause we'll never fold a long way. We ain't play by the rules, we made our own way, cause we up.
We gonna party tonight. Yeah. Let's bring out bottles. Bring out the bottles of rosé and put them on.
Said fuck a mood swing. Say you ain't used to how I do things. Baby, I ain't perfect, I know your friends told you a few things, but would you rather argue in that Buick or that Moussain? Baby, let's just take a minute. Let's make a toast to what we did and forget what we didn't. I got caught up in girl, I get it, but it's been a minute. I'm still that same nigga working, just a new position. Yeah.
We gonna party tonight. Bring out bottles. Bring out the bottles of rosé and put them on
Look, picture me rolling, tip of my chauffeur. Niggas look jealous, you gotta control it. Reaching my quota, mixing my soda. Feeling connected to God, trying to get closer. Stepping on roaches, me and my loasters. Just trying to get over, try not to get swallowed by locusts. Trying to stay focused, kinda like Moses. Like somebody chose us, sweat on my shoulder. I feel these emotions, but still I keep going. I've been to a poet, I've been through the motions. I'm feeling heroic, but life is a dice game, and they dare you to blow it. You might get a strike, man, but that ain't gon' pay for the strollers. It's never enough to console her. Tell her your daddy a soldier, she needs you right now in this moment. Now dead on your back pushing roses. To me I'm just carving a sculpture and fine-tuning my approaches. Doubling back as an owner, the moment of truth is opponents, call them promoters.
Picture me rolling with my friends, not a worry. Then we get stopped by the police. Gotta make it home to my baby, 'cause these days niggas going crazy. Gotta make it home to my baby, 'cause these days niggas say make it. Gotta make it home to my baby. Holla, yeah, look. I bet I'ma make it home to my baby. Bang bang, yeah. I bet I'ma make it home to my baby. I said, I bet I'ma make it home to you, baby.
What's up? What's up? You subscribe to my YouTube channel yet? You subscribe to my YouTube channel yet? You subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Just wanna fuck with you like a nervous style.
You subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Two-tone drip, yeah. Walking like a lick, yeah. Pull up with a stick, yeah. You know how it, yeah. Making my way downtown, I got options. Could pull up on you right now, but I got options. Is you fucking right now? 'Cause I got options. You ain't gotta lie now, 'cause I got options.
You move right or get left, only option. If you ain't with the gang, you the obstin. Got plays like a sports center top 10. Get popped or get dropped. You got options. Yeah, I could do the white, yellow, or the rose gold. Prostitutes in the winter, all them hoes cold. Got a Rollie, got a Paddock, got a Richard Millie. Times change, I'm just saying, gotta switch up, feel me? The fake do what they can, the real do what they want. Multitasking with the baddies, that's two things at once. Yeah, so nice, I did it twice, baby. Yeah, and one is so close to none, baby.
Two-tone drip, yeah. Walking like a lick, yeah. Pull up with a stick, yeah. You know how it goes. Thinking my way downtown, I got options. Can pull up on you right now, but I got options. Is you fucking right now? Cause I got options. You ain't gotta lie now, cause I got options.
Hard talk convertible, fuck it, I got the option. Do it with one touch of a button, that's how I'm rockin'. Have a Gucci man, pull up in the 2020. Pay 400, ain't talking no 2020s. Millions on top of more millions on top of millions. Shining like the chandelier.
Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my rap. Last time that I checked, I was selling songs in the set. Make $250,000, no sweat. Last time that I checked, I'm the streets voice out west. Legendary self-made progress. Last time that I checked, first you get the money, then respect, then the power and the hoes come next. Last time that I checked, I've been self-made from the dribble. I was been saying I'm a killer. Playing no games with you niggas. Pop clutch, switch lanes on you niggas. I laid down the game for you niggas. Taught you how to charge more than what they paid for you niggas. On the whole thing for you niggas. Reinvest, double up, then explain for you niggas. It gotta be love. Run the city, it gotta be good. Just for the pieces I took off the Monopoly board. Yeah, y'all niggas false claims, it gotta be fraud. Just keep the hood about your mouth and you gotta be charged. I doubled up, tripled up, nigga what? Banged on the whole game, I ain't give a fuck. Nobody trippin', handle business, got my digits up. And when I drop, you know I'm about to flash it up. It was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my rap. Last time that I checked, I was selling songs in the set. Make $250,000, no sweat. Last time that I checked, I'm the streets voice out west. Legendary self-made progress. Last time that I checked, first you get the money, then respect, then the power and the hoes come next. Last time that I checked, come through fly check, no cosign. I ain't need radio to do mine. I done fine and I take my time and take my tribe. Every level that I crossed in this game, like state lines, it was visionary. Either I'm genius or you niggas scary. Maybe it's both in this balance I deliver daily. For every nigga in these streets trying to feed the babies. Single mamas working hard not to miss a payment. And dirty money get washed on royalty statements. Black owners in this game are powerful racists. Young niggas in the set just doing it makeshift. Out the garage, how you end up in charges. How you end up in penthouses, end up in cars. It's how you start off a curb surfer, end up a boss. It's how you win the whole thing and lift up a cigar with sweat dripping down your face. Since the mission was last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my rap. Last time that I checked, I was selling songs in the set. Make $250,000, no sweat. Last time that I checked, I'm the streets voice out west. Legendary self-made progress. Last time that I checked, first you get the money, then respect, then the power and the hoes come next. Last time that I checked,
I got the front and in the back. We on the way and that's a fact. This real, this ain't rap. Where everybody wanna act pro-black. The last lie you heard, this ain't that, this that, I did, made it out the gutter shit. Nip told you fuck the middleman, I told you fuck a bitch. Fuck wearing they clothes, I wear my own shit. Y'all get on y'all label, I own my own, bitch. Hey, nigga, I remember all that game you throw me. Don't fuck around and get played by the label owners. Talk that shit to these niggas, Adrian Broner. But secure the window, don't let the game through you. Cause when it's game over, it's really game over. And all they do is play the game till it's game over. And you be giving game like a big brother mission, never let them take it from us.
Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my rap. Last time that I checked, I was selling songs in the set. Make $250,000, no sweat. Last time that I checked, I'm the streets voice out west. Legendary self-made progress. Last time that I checked, first you get the money, then respect, then the power and the hoes come next. Last time that I checked.
your knee was down there on the ground, nigga.
What'd you say? We came by you hard?
Move. The dash slow. Exactly. Go on the 60 seconds. Go. He's going. We'll get set up and be just like this. It's easy for him.
You did your thing out there.
Gotta talk about it. You know how we coming.
Don't fuck with Easy, he'll make you think. Fuck Mac with it. You got Easy with it.